Goldfields North was an electoral district of the Legislative Assembly in the Australian state of New South Wales from 1859 to 1880, including the Goldfields within several northern electorates. Rolls were not kept for Goldfield seats, voters being able to establish their right to vote by presenting either a mining license or business license in a proclaimed goldfield that had been held for at least 6 months. Voters could also appear on the roll for general districts, but were prevented from voting in both their resident general district and the overlaying Goldfields district. This meant that voters could vote tactically if they felt their candidate was unopposed, as James Hoskins was in the 1860 election, or their preferred candidate was assured of election. They could vote in the other electorate. Members for Goldfields North. Notes: